When I try to launch the game, I got this error. Steam is not launched. To fix this, click on OK and check my video description for the Steam download link. Select the install Steam option and it will start downloading. Select the exe file and install the Steam. Once the installation done, set Steam in the search bar and click on open the Steam application. And you must log into your Steam account. If you doesn't have an account, create a new account. Once you're done, just minimize this or just close it off here. Make sure the Steam is running in the background and then launch the game. And as you can see, the game opens up without having any problem. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.